All right, hey, so I wanted to show you what things are looking like. I checked those quizzes. So I created a little section with midterm and then started importing just to see what that would look like. So let's take a quick look. Midterm setup. All right, so you see the question. So what I did was add a few things to the question library, just imported them over from the existing questions. I'll show you I did that in a minute. So those all came in, and then I tried it here with just porting them in from the quizzes without adding to the question library first. That worked pretty well too. So let me show you how I went about that. Add questions. All right, you see where I've been just playing around. I'm not as familiar with bringing stuff across inside D2L, not something I do a lot, so the sections might be a little weird just from me setting them up. But here's my list of all the quizzes on the right side. And then when I go to import, I just take a source collection. So you can either move all these to the question library, then bring them across, and that's when you choose there. Or instead of doing two things at once, do this one. So I'll go ahead and select this competitive competition and wages. Pull that. I did notice that I have to go by subsection. Apparently, if I do the root, it errors out for some reason. I don't know why, but really doesn't make that much difference in the process. So I selected the questions, save. So there they are. One thing you have to change the name, which is kind of a pain, but this is how I've been doing it, is just keeping a list. And I fixed the name. And that's what's in the quiz. So we can take a look at what that quiz looks like. Right, so I've got them across, done editing. All right, so now the quiz has the things from the question library, this one, which came from quizzes, me playing around here trying to figure things out a little bit, but here's the one I just brought across, right? And it seems to work fine. I mean, here are all the questions, and you can pick and choose early on when you're bringing them across if you want to do it that way, or you can dump them all in. Oh, excuse me. Or you can dump them all into the question library if you want to go that way. So I think it works fine, but let me know if you want. I can do the manual, bring them across if you want me to, but just let me know. Cheers.